everyone, welcome to my channel today. It's Lynn here. How's everybody? Hope you're all well. So in today's video I'm going to make a lovely heart for Mother's Day, and I'm making it using this Das air drying clay. So I've grabbed myself some clay and all I'm doing is just rolling it in my hand just to soften it. Once you've done that, what you want to do is roll it out onto your board. So I'm using a glass mat to do this. Okay, so I'm just rolling it out here. Once it's softened, don't want it too thick, but not too thin either. So I think that will do like that. Okay, so I've got some nesting die and I'm going to pick one of these out. That one is just a little bit too big, so I'm going to go with this one here. And what I'm going to do, take my heart, and I've cut round it. Now you might have a cutter that you could use, and I've just ran my finger around with some water just to try and smooth the edges out a little bit. Then what I want to do after I've cut it out and smoothed the edges is just slightly under the top and make yourself a little hole, because this is where I want to pop my ribbon through there. Okay, and I've just used the other end of my pokey tool to do this. Got lovely messy hands. And then I've just got this, it's actually off my jewellery making things, and all I want to do is just press this into the clay just to make a little bit of a pattern around and on the heart. Just kind of dotting it here and there. Then what I've done is I've taken a little die cut sentiment that says Ma'am, so you could put whatever you want to put, and all I did was I've pressed it in to the clay. Press fairly hard, make sure you don't come out the other end though onto the back, and it will leave your imprint onto your clay. So that is just a Crafter's Companion die sentiment. Dokey, so I've just taken some of my clay and I am rolling it in my hand. Then I am going to roll it out. Then I've got this flower mould. Can't remember where I got this. And what I want to do is just press that into the flower mould, bring the top part over, and I just want to squash that into there. And there you can see we have made a gorgeous flower. All I need to do here is just cut off the excess with my craft knife. Okay, so I've got a couple of other little molds, that's the same thing, but one's larger and one's smaller. So okay, so I've rolled some more clay. What I'm going to do is just pop that into the clay to cut the shape out. So it's like a daisy shape. So I'll just remove all of the excess like so. Could probably tidy that up a bit whilst it's in there, and then just press the flower out. Okay, so I've cut some flowers out. I'm just going to leave it at that and let those set, the same as I'm just leaving the heart to set as well, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've been busy off camera, and what I've done is I've painted my heart. Now then, I didn't have any pink, so what I did was I took my acrylic paint in the metallic silver and this rose colour. I mixed the two of them together and I got this gorgeous pink here, and the heart's got a lovely sheen and shine to it because of the metallic in the silver. I've also painted my flowers, so I used the pink paint that I'd made. I also used this yellow, and on the veins of this one I've just gone over with the yellow. I've also got some little white pearls and popped them into the middle of my flowers. I've got a couple yet to stick down, so this one is going in the center of this one here. Got these to stick down yet. I've also got one for this flower here. I've just been raiding my little gem box. Grab the pearl, pop that one in. Also what I did was I just took my marker pens and coloured the arm in. I've threaded some lovely lemon ribbon through and I've put a heart charm on with the ribbon. Okie dokie, so little change of plan here. I did have this flower in there and don't think it looked quite right. It looks a bit too big, I think. So what I'm going to do is start sticking them down, and I've added this little pink one in. Okie dokie, so I've stuck my pink one down and I'm just going to stick the yellow one now and just lift it up a little bit at the top just to sit onto the top of that one like that. Then I'm popping this little one next to it, so that is just going to sit onto there like that. Then I'm going to add the pink one in about there like so. Okie dokie, so there is my finished clay heart, and how gorgeous is that? I will pop a little knot or something in to tie it off, and how gorgeous is that? I hope you have enjoyed my video today. If you have, would you please consider giving me a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel. I will be ever so grateful for this. I hope I've given you some inspiration to create your Mother's Day heart. Thank you ever so much for joining me. I will be back with another Mother's Day video. In the meantime, happy crafting. Have a wonderful day. Take care. See you all soon, and bye-bye for now.